She's way up there.
Huh?
She's way up there. Where'd you go? She already back down?
No, she's clear up as high as she can get.
Oh, there she is.
Knock the branches off now.
She's after them birds. I keep losing her.
Huh?
I keep losing her.
She's looking down at us. And now she's looking around the tree, I guess looking for birds.
Oh, there she is.
She's not going to get a bird out of the tree.
She's after them earlier, too. They kept trying to fly over. Then that one got on the ground and flew back up.
She's eating the leaves in it.
Oh.
Something. Chewing on them. Well, problem is, in the wintertime, you couldn't get her any heat to her
That's true.
cat house.
You just walked in the video. Oh, going back up again. Oh, there she goes.
Damn it.
Oops.
This bush is pissing me off.
You want me to trim it? She is eating the leaves. Oh, she's giving herself a bath. Crazy girl. Oh my goodness.
There's wet cat smells or something out here. A wet dog it smells like.
Oh my goodness. We have a one-of-a-kind cat. She is a one-of-a-kind cat. I think she's got bobcat in her.
Maybe. Maybe you can find out when you take her in for her rabies shot.
I can't believe she's giving herself a bath in the tree. Are you just going to stay up there and bathe?
How would you like a little tree house? That you could get in. What you do, come down and then go up that?
No, she's coming back down now. Thinking about jumping on another limb, one of the tree limb, whatever. There she comes down.